Hey, my name is Sammy and I'm the drummer for Tayk2. I was really inspired by my dad and my uncle because my uncle played the drums and my dad played the bass guitar, but he started with the drums. And I've been playing since I was 7. Our band started in 2010 for the talent show and we got first place. And after that, we kept getting gigs. We had a show here in NC in Hickory. My drumstick hit the toms and it flew out of my hands to the front of the stage. The vocalist, he thought that I gave it to him to throw to the fans. So he took it and he threw it to the fans, and I had to play one hand and my other spare drumsticks were on the floor, so stopped the song for a bit, but I caught on to it. And then at the end of the song, somebody threw my drumstick back and I got it back at the end of the night. So it was pretty funny.